Hello everyone. In today's Getting Started video, we are going to walk through how to add a device to the HPE Greenlake Platform. After that, we'll attach a service manager and add a subscription to the device. For this example, we'll be deploying in the US West region. Let's get started. Once you log into the platform and then to your workspace, click on Devices. Here you'll either see the devices already added to your workspace or an empty list if you're starting from scratch. Today we'll add an Aruba access point. To do that, click on the green Add Device button in the top right corner and choose Networking Device from the drop-down. For networking devices, you'll need the serial number and MAC address to add them to the platform. For storage or compute devices, you'll need the serial and part number. You can also add multiple devices at once by uploading a CSV file. In this video, we'll add one device manually. Scroll to the bottom of the page, hit Next, and there are these optional fields for tags, location, and contact details, which you can fill in as needed. Review your device and hit Finish. Here, we can see that the device has been added successfully. Now that our device has been added to the inventory and the details about it listed here, you'll notice that it doesn't have a service manager or a subscription yet. Let's add these to the device now. Click on the action, then Assign to Service Manager. Here, we'll select Aruba Central from the drop-down list and the region would be US West. Click Finish when you're done. With the Service Manager set up, let's move on to adding a subscription. Head back to the device inventory. You'll see Aruba Central listed as the Service Manager. Select the device, then in the drop-down Actions button, click on Apply Subscription and follow the prompts. For this example, we'll choose the Advanced AP subscription. Once completed, the device is ready for use. We can see all the activities we performed today in the audit logs, thus providing transparency and easy tracking of changes. Next, we head over to the Devices section to explore the Auto Subscribe and Auto Reassign features. On the left, you'll see the Devices Configuration menu. With Auto Subscribe, you can configure each supported device type to automatically enable a valid license for use on the Greenlake platform. Auto Reassign allows the system to automatically switch a device to another available subscription of the same type when the current subscription expires. This way, you can prevent disruptions in service without manual intervention. A few moments ago, you may have seen that I could find the appropriate subscription from the list to attach to our access point because it was already provisioned. If it is not provisioned in your setup, you can go to the device subscription and click on Add Device Subscription. Enter the subscription key and follow the prompts. The process is simple, and once completed, you'll be able to add subscriptions just like we did for the access point. On similar lines, you can go to the Services and to the Service Subscription and follow the prompts on how to add the service subscription. In our case, the Service Manager is Aruba Central and the device subscription tier is Advanced AP. This concludes our video on device management in HPE Greenlake. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you get started.